in. But piston number 1, I don't know. Is that normal? I don't think so. Yeah.
Flat again. So that's what's going on.
Come on. Nope. 4th gear. 3rd gear. There we go.
Nice.
4th, 3rd. Go, boys! We're getting there. Just begin to disconnect the engine. Oh, it's gonna be great. It sure is. The engine is all unbolted, and so my next move is to take it out. I'm now investigating the reason why the clutch never worked. It's daytime now, I guess. Worked all night. It's pretty rusty. Very rusty in there. The engine stripped down and then build it back up with all good shit, you know? There you go. Just get a good wide shot.
Okay, here we go. We're getting the cab off the Trooper. And I believe we're going to be setting it on the trailer over there. So we got the skid steer. You want to get him to tip it down a little bit.
Okay, we're going to want to tip it down a little bit. Before, it's so close. All right.
Yeah, if you try push through, you're going to rip the bottom out of that door panel. Up on the frame there, or is that just the... What is it you're jacking up? Yeah, he could come forward now, you know. As long as he doesn't knock those blocks out, it'll be fine. Yeah, he can keep coming. Keep on coming.
Yep, keep on coming.
He can keep going. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep on going. It's okay, he can keep coming.
Alright, okay.
Okay, we've got her now. Up she goes.
Okay, let me just double check and see if there's anything connected. We have a body ground wire all the ground.
Oh yeah.
Okay, take it up
Yeah, we're good. What about that long one there? Okay. And we're off. Alright, so you guys roll the chassis out of the way. Huh. There we have it. Well, we're going to stick the trailer underneath now and set it down, I guess. Yep, it's good. They have to see if you can lift those planks out of there. Should just pick up. There's
Okay.
yeah, good there.